Hello, my name is Tamara Ellerbe. I'm a senior here at Manor College studying health services with concentration of health science. First off, I want to thank Manor College for nominating me for the Mother Josaphat Medal. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for this nomination. It's a privilege to be considered for this award. Thank you. Here at Manor College, apart from attending classes, I try my very best to be involved around campus. I take pride in being an active member of the Manor College community. Currently, I am serving as a presidential ambassador, a member of the Student Senate, and I also serve with the Rotary Club and the Campus Activity Board. Besides my involvement in college activities, I also spend my free time giving back to the community. I contribute to my old high school by volunteering for Fill Abundance, and I also donate hot meals to my local church. I like to contribute to the community because it makes me feel good. This place is special to me because of how inclusive it is. Thanks to Manor College, they have opened so many doors and opportunities for me, and I am so extremely grateful. Thank you for making me feel I belong here.